Well, dear student, Jesse English High School, 9th Standard. Before going to start the new topic, Unit 1 poem, Upagupta by Rabindranath Tagore. Before that, I would like to warm up you with the homework activities. And Monday to Saturday, anytime, I want to see that my dedicated students, they are coming and they are submitting me their homework activities one by one in the school campus. Reading, learning, education is very important. Take your health care, proper protection, but please proceed with your education. Don't neglect your time and energy. Here, you see, I have written on the board, follow it properly and attachment, you will get it. Homework activity class 9, writing task, page 20. So, dear students, 9th standard textbook, please open and follow page 20. These are writing activities. So, in your good notebook, you please come and collect your all books, notebooks from the school premise. Tell your parents to come and talk with our respected headmaster who is ready to help you all. So you have to take the help from the management and afterwards you have to help your management. This is called proper learning and education scheme. Follow it because you are a mature student. You should make the society upgrade. So 9th standard, I want in the big notebook in which way my class 10th already started writing and homework activities. They are coming and showing me. In this way, 9th, please put your step forward with your parents. Don't sit idly at the home. So dear students, class 9, you see page 20. Those who have textbook, open page 20. Others, collect it, manage it, arrange it as soon as possible. So, page 20. This is your task. Page 20, task 6 and task 7. Both, you will get the answer from me. You will write with blue and black color neatly in your notebook. Time and again I am telling you, class 9th standard, please come and meet our principal in the school and take his help, and please you make yourself ready to help the society and the management as soon as possible. Make your society upgrade, that's important. So take a textbook, 9th standard and follow it, page 20. 9th standard. India's first woman commercial pilot, Durba Banerjee, was interviewed by some student. Her answer to the questions are given below. Can you guess the questions that she was asked? Here, number 1. Why did you want to become a pilot? In my time, girls were just becoming teachers and doctors. I thought I should be completely different. Number 2. When did you first start flying? All the answer sheets you will get from me. I will supply you time to time all the answers. Remarkably, seriously, you have to make your notes properly. I want good credit goes to the result card. It should be your target, how to snatch the marks. Number 3. What was your salary first? My salary was only rupees 356 when I first joined as pilot. Number 4. Did the male pilots accept you? The male pilots accepted me almost immediately. Number 5. In which country did you become Indian representative? I went to the US as the Indian representative at the World Lady Pilots Association gathering. Did you marry? Why? Why not? I never married, as I thought my career would not allow me to devote sufficient time to family life. Number 7. What did you feel about a pilot's life? Many girls think that a pilot's life is very glamorous. But they have to be willing to sacrifice a lot. It is a hard life with no fixed hours. Number 8. When did you stop your flying? I stopped my flying in 1989 when I retired from IA. So this is your test 6. Task 7. Look at these sentences. This is very important thing in SSLC board exam. Compulsory question you will get different grammar. When I am teaching the textbook, grammar knowledge also, vocabulary knowledge also you are getting with the design syllabus. Follow it properly. Textual notes and all. Keep it in your mind. Keep on reading. Keep on writing. Your all problems will be okay. So dear students, class 9, it's very important thing, that is your infinitive. Infinitive. Your pronunciation will be infinitive. And it is infinitive. Infinitive. In English grammar, what is infinitive? The word TO2 is generally used with the infinitive. He began to feel. TO2, infinitive. After that, always present tense word, not felt. Fill, present tense word, compulsory. Terribly drowsy. Open page 20. Follow task 7. Yudhishthira saying Sahadeva to see. TO2 SEEC. What the matter is? Arjuna wanted to destroy. TO2. Destroy. Not destroyed. No past tense. Only present tense. After TO2, always present tense. And TO2, this word is generally used with the infinitive. Only one finite verb, that is infinitive. And see, in simple sentence, maximum, when from complex to compound sentence, you have to transfer simple sentences, or you have to make simple sentences infinitive. Very important, because in simple sentence, only one finite verb. You will get it. You can put it. So, infinitive we will see in maximum simple sentences. Obviously, in other type of categorical sentences according to the situation. He began to fill. Yudhishthira saying Sahadeva to see. Arjuna wanted to destroy. In these sentences, to fill, to see, to destroy, just name the action. What is action word? Verb. It is indicating action. And they are not limited by number and person. It is called the verb infinitive or simply the infinitive. The word to is generally used with the infinitive. 21 page number, homework task. Here, this one, obviously your writing test. We were pleased when we heard the news. We were pleased to hear the news. The doctor told him that he should rest for a few days, to take rest. I hope that I shall build a new house soon. To build. Again, the boy promised that he would not make the mistake once. Not to make the mistake. Again, number 4. When they saw the accident, to see the accident. All the answers you will get in attachment. Only write neatly. That she must report for duty the next day, to report. That they should do their work, to do their work carefully. Task 8. I cannot decide where to go. Bindu wants to know how to proceed. I do not know what to do. Ranjan is learning how to write. Please tell me where to keep it. Now make reference is also important in SSLC board grammar. Dictionary word. Arjuna shot a sharp arrow in the direction of the voice. Here, sharp means having a thin point or edge and being able to cut or make a hole. This word sharp now you use in different way in all the sentences. I have a sharp pen. Page 21. There are many sharp curves. Please be here at 7 o'clock sharp. Picture quality of the LED television is sharp. Lemons have a sharp taste. Reading activities, that one you will do it. Page 22, the epic word. Keep on reading the poem and about the author Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari. Today, you complete your homework activities and read the textbook, page number 23, 24, 25. Introduction, page 23, page 24. Our lesson very shortly will start through online Upagupta by the great world poet Rabindranath Tagore. That's all today. God bless you.